Hi everybody, welcome to this follow-on video for the fairing removal. If you just come to this video without seeing any of my others, I'll put a link in the description going to the fairing removal that I did before. As I previously said, I'm renewing the air filter, so I thought I'd do a video while I'm doing it. So I will be taking the tank, lifting the tank up. I'll do a video on that. It's very cold in the garage today. Sorry if my words aren't coming out very clear. Okay, so what I'm interested in showing you is just the fittings for taking that tank cover off. So the obvious one is here, back at the tank. That one there, which is just an Allen bolt. The other Allen bolt fixes on there, which you can't normally see when the centre cowl is on, or the main fairing, whichever you want to call it. And just behind there is a pop nut, or sorry, a push pin, some people call them pop nuts, that pushes in there. That's a hidden one. And also you've got just above the tank bolt there, you've got another grommet that a prong sits into, which I'll show you on the panel. And then you've got an obvious one there right in the middle, and then this one tucked right away under there, which is for the knee pads, that flappy little bit that comes down from the tank cover. Mine's always been a bit loose, and I think where the previous owners fitted the sat nav, the cables are pushing that out a little bit, so I'll have to try and make sure I can get that pushed right in there. There's also some Velcro fastenings there, 4 in total, and 2 little slots there, look. Just a couple of tabs on the tank cover, which I'm going to show you in a second. Okay, so there's my tank cover. Hope you can see that okay, what direction I've got it in. And there is the little boss there that goes into that rubber grommet under there. It's a weird shape, as you can see, but what it does, it allows you to tilt up the tank cover panel from the rear. You tilt it and it allows it to swivel and comes off a bit easier. There's your prong for that one there. And at the bottom of this knee pad, I think they call them, there is the prong that fits into that section I was just talking about. And there is your rear, the easy one, the rear tank bolt there. And there's the front tank cover bolt. So there's your little tabs, you see them there. Oops, try and focus that. There's the little tabs that fit into there. You'll find you have to sort of, the last thing you have to do again is sort of like tilt that up at the back, and it comes off quite easily. So again, I hope that's helped you a little bit. Okay, I will be, as I say, lifting up the tank, and I'll do a quick video on that also. Thanks again for watching.